License activation. Once you purchase a license, we need to create the screen ID for it. All you have to do is go to your screen ID section of your HooatBoard. Here in the Manage Screens window, you can activate your licenses. To activate an interactive screen license, click on Add Interactive Screen. Here in this window, you can see a unique screen ID field that will be auto-generated shortly. Name your screen, choose the HooatBoard view on your screen, and the access level of the new members who will be joining the board through the kiosk. You can even add just a specific collection to your board on the kiosk to display. There are many options like this, so choose them based on what best fits your brand and click Continue. Here, the location of your kiosk will be auto-filled with a label. If you want to change them, you can go ahead and do that. In the Location App URL, add the URL for the location app that can display the location of the screen. This can be found on a Google map or web URL that showcases an internal map of the location on the screen.